Hello, everyone. I'm Emma. Welcome to Shadowing with Speak English Daily. I know that feeling. You've been studying English for 3, 4, maybe even 5 years. You know grammar by heart, memorize thousands of words. But every time you open your mouth to speak, your brain freezes, your tongue gets stuck, and what comes out sounds terrible. Do you feel mute when you have to speak English? You know what you want to say, but you just can't express it. Here's the secret. Native speakers don't use fancy words. We use simple words and phrases that confuse you. That's what we're fixing today through everyday native expressions. The method is simple. Hear a sentence, say a sentence. Just copy and repeat. This is day 4 of our 30-day challenge, directions. You're lost in a city, someone gives you directions, but your mind goes blank. Today, that changes forever. In 10 minutes, you'll master 30 direction phrases. No more translating in your head. Just natural English flowing out. Ready to never feel lost again? Let's start shadowing. Today we'll drill 30 essential phrases, then practice them in a real conversation. Remember, speak immediately after me, don't wait. Ready? Let's start. Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, where is the bank? Could you tell me where the hospital is? Could you tell me where the hospital is? Could you tell me where the hospital is? Is there a pharmacy around here? Is there a pharmacy around here? Is there a pharmacy around here? Where can I find a good restaurant? Where can I find a good restaurant? Where can I find a good restaurant? Do you know where the train station is? Do you know where the train station is? Do you know where the train station is? Is the post office near here? Is the post office near here? Is the post office near here? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? Where's the nearest ATM? Can you help me find the library? Can you help me find the library? Can you help me find the library? Is there a gas station nearby? Is there a gas station nearby? Is there a gas station nearby? Where is the shopping mall? Where is the shopping mall? Where is the shopping mall? Great start. You just practiced 10 real-life questions. Every traveler needs these phrases. Now, let's level up. It's time to ask for clear directions when you're lost. How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? What's the best way to downtown? What's the best way to downtown? What's the best way to downtown? Can you show me the way to the museum? Can you show me the way to the museum? Can you show me the way to the museum? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? Which direction should I go? Which direction should I go? Which direction should I go? Is it walking distance? Is it walking distance? Is it walking distance? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? Do I need to take a bus? Do I need to take a bus? Do I need to take a bus? Amazing job! You can now ask for help with confidence. But what if you are the local? Let's switch roles. Now you'll learn how to give directions, like a pro. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Go. Straight ahead for Q 2 blocks. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Turn left at the traffic light. Take the second right. Take the second right. Take the second right. It's on your left-hand side. It's on your left-hand side. It's on your left-hand side. Walk past the coffee shop. Walk past the coffee shop. Walk past the coffee shop. Cross the street at the crosswalk. Cross the street at the crosswalk. Cross the street at the crosswalk. It's next to the big red building. It's next to the big red building. It's next to the big red building. You can't miss it. You can't miss it. You can't miss it. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's about a 5-minute walk. It's about a 5-minute walk. Keep going until you see the park. Keep going until you see the park. Keep going until you see the park. Turn right after the bank. Turn right after the bank. Turn right after the bank. It's across from the school. It's across from the school. It's across from the school. You did it. That's 30 powerful phrases, drilled and sharp. They're short, natural, and super useful. Now comes the fun part. Let's use them in a real conversation. I'll be the tourist, and you will be the local person giving directions. After each line I say, I'll pause so you can shadow your reply. Are you ready? Let's go. Excuse me, where is the train station? How far is it from here? Is there a good restaurant nearby? How long does it take to get there? Thank you so much for your help. Great job. Now let's switch roles. It's your turn to ask the questions. You are the tourist. I will be the local. I'll pause after each answer, so you can shadow your lines with confidence. Let's begin the conversation again. This time, you start. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks. It's about a 5-minute walk. Yes, turn left at the traffic light. Walk past the coffee shop. It's on your left-hand side. Just 2 minutes. You can't miss it. You're welcome. Have a great day. Perfect. You just mastered 30 direction phrases. You're now confident, asking for and giving directions in English. We also practiced a real conversation. Did you notice how natural your responses sounded? Now go back. Repeat that conversation one more time. Speak it out loud. Own it. Tomorrow is day 5. another essential skill that will boost your confidence. Don't break the chain. Like this video, subscribe for tomorrow's lesson, and comment with one phrase you'll use this week in real life. See you tomorrow. Keep shadowing.